Hey there, future innovators! The digital world is waiting for you to explore it. Are you ready to unlock the magic of AI and coding? Get set to launch your adventure with Codingal. In a world where AI is everywhere, from chatbots to self-driving cars, learning to code isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. Coding helps kids understand how AI works, create smart apps, and develop the problem-solving skills needed for the future. That's why coding is essential for every child in the age of AI. In our course for grades 4-5, you'll dive into creating games, apps, animations, exploring AI projects, and even design your own websites. Welcome to Codingal, a place where kids fall in love with AI and coding and turn their bright ideas into reality. Join us on a transformative journey where every milestone unlocks a brand new coding superpower. Welcome to the AI and coding champion level, your first step into the exciting world of block-based coding. Start your adventure in Sprite Lab and Play Lab, where you'll learn the fundamentals of animation by coding projects like Astro Rescue and Alien Encounters, blending creativity with logic through fun games and animations. Then move to App Lab, where you'll explore both basic application development and GUI apps. Build interactive applications like Voter App, Calculator, Jumanji, and Sign ABC, while learning to use operators, buttons, and AI-powered assistants that can chat, teach math, and even draw shapes intelligently. Next, level up in Game Lab through game development and advanced game development, creating exciting projects like spriteless animation, conditional with Poxo, collision, and Save the Cow, mastering sprite interaction, motion, and collision logic. Finally, dive into Scratch to develop AI-powered games and animations in basic animation development and game design 1 and 2, bringing projects like Birthday Greetings, Solar System, Mario Dash, Happy Balls, Car Game, and Hungry Casey to life. Complete all 8 engaging modules to earn your AI and Coding Champion certificate, your badge of innovation, creativity, and AI mastery. Next, level up to the AI and Coding Prodigy stage, where your imagination meets innovation. Advance your skills in Scratch game design, developing advanced projects like MyGiga and Pac-Man, and learn to use custom blocks, AI-driven characters, and voice-controlled gameplay. Step into the world of artificial intelligence with machine learning for kids, where you'll build AI models that recognize emotions, sounds, and images through projects like Happy Sad Dog, Mailman, Underfitting, and Roaming. Explore MIT App Inventor, creating practical and AI-powered mobile apps such as Health App, Doodling Board, Space Warrior, and Calculator. Learn to integrate features like voice recognition, cloud storage, translators, and even ChatGPT integration for intelligent app experiences. Finally, begin your text-based coding journey by mastering HTML in website development, focusing on elements, structure, design, tables, and forms. Complete all 16 advanced modules to earn your AI and Coding Prodigy certificate. Proof that you're ready to create intelligent games, powerful apps, and dynamic websites. Finally, step into the AI and Coding Grandmaster level, the ultimate stage where creativity, logic, and technology come together. Unleash your creativity in advanced website development with CSS, Bootstrap, and interactive JavaScript. Create impressive apps like the to-do list, digital clock, and stopwatch. Dive into Python to explore from basics to advanced techniques, including file handling and projects like Phonebook. Complete challenging capstone projects. Complete all 24 action-packed modules and earn your AI and Coding Grandmaster certificate, the mark of true coding mastery. At Codingal, every lesson is more than just coding. It's an adventure in learning. Each project boosts your critical thinking, sharpens your problem-solving skills, and turns challenges into victories. Learning here feels like play, and every small win builds unstoppable confidence. Parents, imagine a learning space where your child enjoys personalized classes, gains lifetime access to class videos and resources, and takes part in engaging quizzes, gamified lessons, and regular doubt-clearing sessions. That's the Codingal difference. a holistic approach that nurtures creativity, sparks curiosity, and prepares young minds for a digital future. And don't just take our word for it. Listen to the inspiring stories from families who have seen Codingal transform their child's learning journey. So, are you ready to take the first step toward unlocking your child's coding superpowers? Book a free trial today and let your child experience the magic of Codingal firsthand. Ignite passion, creativity, and endless possibilities with every lesson. Your AI and coding adventure starts now.